Hi there, Dr. Mike Green at MGMD Aesthetics. And people are always wondering, how much filler do I need? You know, first of all, I take a conservative approach, and for that reason, I tend to get as much results I can out of one syringe of filler. That being said, one syringe of filler is not a ton of volume. It's 1 ml or 1 cc, if you remember your metric system. That is 1/5 of a teaspoon. So it's not a ton, but I tend to place it in such a way that gets the most that I can out of it. I'm going to open this syringe here and show you. I mean, you can see here, hopefully you can see this. Let me put the needle on. So this is one syringe. You can see that it's 1 ml. And so if we, when we put it into the skin, it just kind of goes like this, right? I'm not sure if you can even see that. And it comes out in little threads like that. See that there? And so you can see how much volume that is. It's not a lot, but you got to strategically place the filler, and that's the key. I have some people where I can use a half a syringe of filler just if they're getting a little bit of lip volume or lip lining. I have people that I've used 5 and 6 syringes of filler, you know, if they need mid-face volume and they want to treat these folds, and we're doing their lips, and we're doing around the mouth. You can definitely use 6 or 8 syringes of filler and still look natural. I would say the average in my practice is 2 to 2.5 syringes of filler because I do a lot of mid-face. And so that's usually 1 syringe in each side and then maybe a half or another syringe in another area of the face. And so that's sort of a guideline. You know, I know there's budgetary concerns too, but that's the general understanding is, you need to understand is that a syringe is only 1/5 of a teaspoon. And so it has to be placed strategically. One syringe, it's almost impossible to look overdone with one syringe. There just isn't enough volume to do that. So anyone that you've seen where you've looked at them on the street and you're like, oh my God, or on TV, and you're like, oh, I don't look like that. The only place that one syringe can really look blown up is in the lips, that if they won't tolerate that. In other areas of the face, it can be strategically placed, and sometimes it's not enough to do anything. So that really I hope that answers the question about how much is a syringe of filler. If you'd like to see me in person, go ahead and click the link, and we will reach out to you and get you scheduled so I can help you look fabulous.